Apollo SunGuard's standard direct embedment foundations are designed according to the structure design and size. Foundations are designed to meet all local building codes in accordance with IBC, that's the International Building Code. Prior to digging footings, check with your local surveyor and be sure that there are no underground obstructions that could interfere with the column placements. Safety is important when working on a construction site, so secure the area with caution tape and let the property owner know that you have closed that area off and that no one can access that area while work is in progress. Review the site plan provided in the engineering package for the correct placement of the footers. If a site plan was not provided, then consult with the person that purchased the shade structure and be sure that the structure is placed in the right spot before you begin digging. Use batter boards, string lines, and stakes to form the layout before you begin marking the exact location of the columns. A direct embedment footer is used for permanent installations and is designed to bury a minimum of 18 inches of the column in the cement. Dig the footers according to the engineered plans provided. Apollo SunGuard prefers that you dig the footers using a shovel, but understands that you may prefer to use an excavator to dig the footers. Keep in mind, no one really knows what is underground until it is too late. Apollo SunGuard is not responsible for underground obstructions, including, but not limited to gas and electric lines and drainage pipes. In some cases, you may run across swampland-like conditions, and the water may begin filling up the footers as you dig. If the footers fill with water, it is important to notify the property owner or project manager so a plan can be made to install well points or pumps as needed. The property owner or project manager is responsible for providing the necessary tools needed. Apollo SunGuard is not responsible for complications that arise during the footer installation. Your next step is to assemble the rebar mat according to the engineered plans and place it in the footer using 3-inch rebar stands. Form and pour your bearing pedestals so that the column will rest on this. Be sure you calculate the elevations of each pedestal to acquire the same entry height of the structure on all columns. Set the columns on the pedestals and tapcon those down, being sure that the columns are level in all directions. Before you pour the concrete, check to ensure that the columns are still level and all elevations are correct. Pour the concrete slowly to ensure that the column does not shift while filling the footer per engineered drawings. Check each column for concrete splatter and wipe down as needed. Also check surroundings, for example, buildings and sidewalks for additional concrete splatter. Site cleanup is very important. You will need to pick up any trash around the area. Level and dispose of excess dirt accordingly. Do not leave any dirt mounds. If necessary, pick up and dispose of any excess concrete slag and rake the area for a final site cleanup.